Welcome to a video by Abron expert. This is Theodolite with stand. This stand is when it reaches you, there is a clamp here. You have to open it, the clamp, and then these are the legs. You can extend the legs. All the three legs can be extended, and there is one screw here. Here it has to be fitted here. This lock is there. This screw is done, and then these are the leveling screws for leveling of this instrument. So this is there is a bubble here on this side. There is one bubble here and there is one bubble here. So you have to adjust this to check the level. This one is a telescope. Here we have the telescope and eyepiece, and this one is focusable, and then you can focus this, and there is a angle adjustment, minor adjustments are there. All these are. This one is a scale is there. You can read it with the eyepiece. The scale, how much is the movement of these both the sides. The scale is there, and very easy to use. This one is whenever you are looking through this, you can see the bubble through. Here is a mirror on the below side. There is a mirror here. You can see the mirror, and then here also you can check the inclination of the this telescope. There is one both these eyepieces are there. You have to focus it a little bit, and these are the small adjustments are there. All these you can see your books. Here also you can lock it and then make the adjustment, final adjustment. Here we can lock it, and then this moves. You can see this is a movement. Here you can see the movement, and very easy to see. Otherwise it moves freely. When you lock it, it does not move it freely. Then it has to be with the scale. So these are all available with us. We have got the dumpy level also, digital and plane table. You can see the other videos, tough compass and prismatic compass. And our email is abron01@gmail.com. Another is info@abronexports.com. Website is abronexports.com. We have got all survey instruments. You can WhatsApp 9922222049. We export all these items. Visit the website, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.